कैसे है? कैसे है सर?
See, this song has been sung by Honey Singh and Badshah, though they have been claiming that they have not sung the song. But in a very recent concert that was held last year, Honey Singh sung 2 lines of that alleged song against which we are moving. So that is why Honorable High Court has issued notice to respondent number 5 and 6, that is Honey Singh and Badshah. Rather, the Honorable High Court is dealing with iron hand against this song. And they have very clearly said that wherever the song is being published in any manner whatsoever, it has to be taken down. And he's been very, the guideline, the order that he's given is quite strict in nature. And he's working on getting the song down for once and for all. See, what he exactly said was that today itself he heard the song in his chamber and he was very, I wouldn't want to say the word, but he was very taken aback by the lyrics that it has and the content that it had. And it's still being circulated. The song was released when both of the singers were under not very
Mature.
no, famous rather.
Okay.
In the very initial years of their career, I think they sung that song. But now that they have become celebrities, I think they should at least agree that they have done this, and they should rather apologize because they have quite a lot of fan following and it's not right. They are not setting the right example as celebrities. They are only enjoying the benefit, the fame, but they are not accepting their moral responsibility. See, it is possible because if we see the IP intermediary guidelines, the YouTube does not have any say or any power to assess the matter that is being published. It is basically a publishing platform rather than assessing platform. So that is why the case is there. The next date of hearing is 7th of May, and wherein the Honorable High Court has directed us also to find more URLs from Instagram, Facebook and other platforms and supply it to the Union of India and coordinate with them accordingly. To responding number 5 and 6, that is Honey Singh and Badshah. So let's see, they might appear on next date of hearing.